Ooh, they see what's going on. Why about it? Why about it? Went through some stuff. Ooh. All right, why about it? All they power on how to drive, bro.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud head. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
maddmarkscars back with another woo. Yeah, man, I ain't forgot, man. I'm back on my grizzly. Why about it? Why about it? Went through some stuff. All right, why about it? All they power on how to drive, bro. That thing went through some stuff. Told her why about it on up. How that world? How the thing black and purple the same thing? Why about it hard? Anything black and purple, all like the backbone is black, the side door black, the top purple, and then purple. Yeah, that's junk crazy. Look at that. 2 different colors. Why about it get to the real? Like they did these chargers so crazy, but like Dodge period, bro. They put these same engines. That's junk crazy. You pay for all them money for these cars, bro. They don't even got anything, got no sunroof. You gotta move like to at least a double roof. I'd rather have a Chrysler 300 and put a Hellcat engine in it or a 6.4. That's why I tie all the head on the inside too, bro. But nah, for real, bro. I ain't been recording. Well, I ain't gonna say I've been recording music, but I ain't been recording my videos, bro. I ain't even been up into the shop, bro. There's been a lot of stuff going on, man. I bring y'all back as soon as I get back, though. You dig? I'm back and I'm showing y'all what's going on. For real, this thing here back up here. Ooh, I remember this thing was tore up in the front. My black one go crazy. Y'all better stop playing. For me, Camaro, Mino, I gotta get me an L coat. Oh yeah, y'all leave my pickup right here too. If y'all didn't know, in my pickup too, but I gotta get me one of these. I gotta get one of these L coats, bro. Box Chevy. This black boy Box Chevy. Y'all know my Box Chevy right here. Y'all ain't know. Y'all never seen my Box Chevy? You ain't know, man, come on, man. If you ain't know, man, I ain't gonna, come on, man. Y'all gotta tune in to the channel. You got to tune in to the channel. You know, got Uncut Dog. You see what's going on? Uncut Dog. Y'all see what's going on? And let's swap. So my cut dog get swapped too. LA fat back time month. Cut dog right here on steroid. Y'all know that Trailblazer SS more so good mine right here. Bit blocking man. Stop playing with him. Yes. Ooh. They see what's going on. I got that. Stop block up out of there, boy. Got that 6 on now, boy. SS time, boy. Told them what's going on, y'all know. Harness did so well. I sent it off, man. You know a white guy did that. Yes, sir. Ooh. New fan right here. But I probably go, what's called a fan though, man. I'm gonna go to electric fan, man. But that's crazy. They had these stock fans on these 6.0 like that. Shoot, it worked though, so I'm gonna ride the tire, you know what I'm saying? Boy, I don't understand, boy. But this was a 4.2 was in here, boy. Man, they gotta stop playing. That big boy is in now, boy. That thing is in now. Yes, sir. Hey, man, this for all the people who didn't know. This how you know this is a 6.0 out of a Corvette Trailblazer or a Trailblazer SS, because the cap says this on the oil cap, man. That's how you know. If it don't say that, it ain't the real one. I'm gonna put it to you like that. It don't say that, it ain't the real one, man. See, man, the Trailblazer finally got the 6.0 inside, bro. The 6.0 is finally inside the Trailblazer, you know what I'm saying? So y'all already know what that means. The Trailblazer build almost complete. You feel me, man? Bro, all this stuff been a process, bro. Like, you don't know all the stuff you have to buy until it's time to buy all the stuff you have to buy, bro. And this stuff not cheap, bro. Like, let me remind y'all, that Trailblazer, the SS, the 6.0 engine, was $4 grand alone. And I got the rear end and a lot of, man, bruh, this stuff ain't for the weak, bro. You gotta take your time. You gotta get the right parts. You feel me? You gotta be patient. Cause it took me almost a year to just find the engine to go in that truck, bro. And I still didn't find it. One of my partners found it and called me and told me about it. Thank God I just had the money already on hand, just waiting around for it. But, bro, that Trailblazer about to be something serious, bro. I ain't about to do nothing, keep modding it up, keep modding it up, and keep modding it up. The Box Chevy really done. I'm waiting on Blackboy to let me know. Really waiting on Blackboy to finish up in the inside. Well, the inside really finished up, just a little more touches. Bring the Box Chevy on home, put that tag on there. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go antique tag. Gotta go antique tag, bro. I got to go antique tag, bro. So I'm trying to get that Box Chevy out there. Trailblazer almost done. I'm on to the LS Swap Cutlass now. You feel me? Going to knock my Cutlass out. Going to pull my pickup out. Man, all bills must be done, man. All gas, no brakes. Maddmarkscars, man. Ain't playing no game. Like I said, man, I've been away from YouTube for probably about a couple of weeks. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't even, I can't say it wasn't my fault because I created content, but it was a lot going on at the shop, bro. Like, T.I. just bought the shop first off, so it's a lot going on at the shop, bro. So, in the meantime, I'm trying to really get my own space, bro. I get my own space. I start working on all my bills myself, because if y'all some OG channel watch, like y'all been on my channel since day one, y'all already know, like, I used to do all this stuff by myself to my car. I used to do everything to the cars by myself. Water pumps, I mean, everything, bro. Like, I used to do all of it by myself. I got stuck on the Box Chevy with those brakes. Sitting the Blackboy sitting, man. But everything come around so well, bro. It took time now. It's been about two, almost 3 years, but, bro, everything come around, bro. I just gotta stay patient, bro. Patience is the key to success, bro. You feel me? I don't like rushing nothing, bro. I like taking my time, bro. Go through everything right. Make sure everything done right. You feel me? To be real, bro, like, I could have been put the Box Chevy out, bro. That's just being real. I just don't want to pull it out halfway done. Like, y'all know I just got the grill like a couple of weeks ago. Ooh, that thing gonna be nasty, bro. They gotta put that grill in. You know what I'm saying? I could have been pulled the box out, bro. I just wanted to finish everything up. Like, I still gotta put the seatbelts inside. I still need to put the seatbelts in there yet, bro. You feel me? Like, I ain't been studying it either. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I've been too busy worrying about all my other bills. Like, the box is done, y'all. So I ain't even studying the box no more. I be worried about all my other bills, trying to get everything else done, bro. Cause I got a lot of projects, bro. I got a lot of projects. One thing I learned about having all these projects, bro, that junk costs, bro. But it's best to do one project at a time. But if you can do multiple projects at a time, when they done, all of them come out it damn near about right behind each other. That's the only nice part about doing a lot of projects at once. They come out right behind each other. Boom, boom, boom. They come out right behind each other, bro. But, man, y'all got to stay tuned in, man. All gas, no brakes, more, man. Maddmarkscars, man. I keep telling me we not stopping. We going to keep going. You got to keep elevating. You feel me? Like that boy CJ32 said, the only way we can go is up. But that's for sure, man. Y'all stay tuned in, man. Maddmarkscars.